first of all, I have some fresh thyme that I grow myself. So if you want me to show you how to grow your own herbs at home, just let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video about it, showing you step by step how to do it. Basically what I did is that I took little branches of my thyme plant and I just washed them really well and I added to my meat. What I really like to do with my herbs basically is to tie them up a little bit, just like this. I'll take the longest one, maybe it's this one, and just make a bunch, just like so. Made a tie. This will help me to give a lot of flavor to this meat. Right away, what we want to do is to season our meat with salt and pepper on both sides. I'm using pink salt, but you can use whatever salt you have at hand in your pantry, okay? Okay, this is it. I'll add some paprika. This is smoked paprika. It's up to you if you want to use smoked one. Or maybe you want spicy meat. You could use cayenne pepper if you like it spicy. Make sure to season well on both sides. Okay, this is pretty much what we are looking for. So let's put this in a very hot pan at 390 Fahrenheit. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil here, already preheated. So I'm just going to place my meat on the first side. Something that I really like doing with my garlic is smash them a little bit. Maybe I'm needing only 2 cloves because they are huge, they're really big. So I'm just going to smash them a little bit. Maybe I need a knife. Okay. You don't need to peel them off. You can keep the skin if you like. So right away, let's put them here. And leave them there to add more and more flavor to this meat. Let's add the thyme. Now let's set up the heat in medium-high heat. My garlic to give this precious flavor to my carne asada. Okay, my meat is practically ready. Okay, let's just take it out of the pan. Okay, you guys, look at this meat over here. Look at these juices. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is just to cut little strips, just like so. You guys, that is so yummy, it's so good. Our steak is ready. Okay, look how juicy is this meat. At the term of your preference. If you like it well done like me, give it 5 minutes per each side. If you like it medium rare, just give them 5 minutes, 2.5 for one side and 2.5 for the other side. Okay, so now let's set this aside until we have our plantains. Okay, so basically the next step is to peeling our plantains and cutting them like French fries. This is the key or the best way to do these fried plantains for this recipe. Just want to cut a vertical cut. You want to do a vertical cut, and then with your hands, your fingers, you peel off the skin. So now what you want to do is to cut them in half, and we are going to shape them into French fry style. The best way to do this is to cut in half, just like so. Okay, so we are getting these little strips of plantain. Okay, you guys, as you can see, the oil is super hot. That is what we are looking for. It's in 390 Fahrenheit. Basically, these plantains will be ready in no time. Look at these, you guys. They look so good and crunchy. Goal here is to get a little bit of golden color. This is ready. Just place them in a paper towel to take out the excess oil. Now we're going to make a chimichurri. It's a little bit different from the Argentinian one. But basically it's cilantro with a little bit of garlic, a little bit of pepper, and olive oil. Okay, so mix all this very well. Just infuse the flavors here. And let's add some thyme. Mix everything well, just like so. And let's add just a pinch of salt. This is to taste. Guys, this is pretty much ready. This is what we are looking for, okay? Let's set it aside. These plantains are ready. You can turn off the heat. Right away, let's season with salt. Now is the moment to serve this recipe. The idea behind this is that you can just put a little bit of mayo. This is to taste. If you like it spicy, you can add sriracha or ketchup if you don't like too much spicy. Now I have some queso fresco that will go on top. Finally, this delicious chimichurri that is so good, you guys. This is just so amazingly good. Some of the olive oil on top, and this is it. Our dish is ready.